Hey guys, welcome back to CyberTechX YouTube channel, your go-to channel for ethical hacking and cybersecurity insights. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting hacking tool called PhoneInfoga. This tool is widely useful ethical hacking for information gathering and recognition purpose. Okay, I will be walking you through the complete installation setup and practical demonstration of how to use PhoneInfoga tool effectively. So whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, stay tuned till the end. Okay, let's jump right and let's explore the power of PhoneInfoga. Come to the browser and simply type PhoneInfoga, and this site is github.com, right? And click on first link. You will be right to this web page. Here we have to simply go scroll down and click on here documentation. Click here and go for installation page. Here based on the different operating system, different installation setups is here. Here we have to follow this. Okay, so let's copy this and open Kali Linux machine in terminal, paste it simply and hit enter. For pasting, press Ctrl Shift plus V, and here it will be start downloading. What's next? For making it global installed, we have to paste its path in bin folder. So make it globally available in system. So make it wait for its completion download. Okay, and here it is PhoneInfoga. Okay, let's make it globally available with PhoneInfoga command. Give the password and okay, let's check if it is available globally or not. Info here it is. Okay, let's see print current version. Okay, simply watch it. I think here it PhoneInfoga 2.11.0. This version of Info is available in our machine. So let's gonna take a practical session on retrieving the information from the mobile number. So for that, type PhoneInfoga hyphen scan hyphen n with the plus country code and the number. Okay, and hit enter. And here guys, it have give us some search text for Google search text for social media, getting information about the number, phone number. In this way, we are able to gather the information from the phone number from PhoneInfoga tool. And here it is local information about raw official registration, local number value, and E164 format, international format with followed by country code, and the number belongs to India. In this way, we can able to find out the information by simply phone number. Okay, so that's all. For more information, you can explore the GitHub release page. Here the different versions with different module introduction. Here it is. You can go with Docker with Docker build also. Okay. That's all guys. Thank you. Please do subscribe and follow our YouTube channel for getting the more information and we stand out from the crowd. Okay, thank you.